ServiceTitan provides several support channels, but the fastest option depends on whether you're an existing customer, a new buyer, or someone with a billing or technical question. By the end of this video, you'll know the best ways to contact ServiceTitan support, what information to have ready, and how to get your issue resolved as quickly as possible. If you're already a ServiceTitan customer, start by signing into your ServiceTitan account. The customer portal is usually the quickest place to access support because your account information is already linked. From there, you can look for the Help or Support section to submit a request or connect with the support team. If you can't log in, visit the official ServiceTitan website instead. You'll find options for contacting sales, customer support, or requesting assistance. Choose the option that matches your situation. Using the correct department helps your request reach the right team faster. Before you contact support, gather a few details. Have your company name, account information, and a clear description of the problem ready. If you're reporting a technical issue, write down any error messages, note which device you're using, and explain the steps that caused the problem. That information saves time, because support won't need to ask for basic details before they start troubleshooting. For billing questions, keep your recent invoices or payment information nearby. If your question is about subscription features, know which ServiceTitan plan your business is using. Giving accurate account information makes it easier for the representative to review your account. If your business depends on ServiceTitan every day, avoid sending multiple requests through different channels for the same issue. That can create duplicate support tickets and slow down the response process. Instead, submit one detailed request and keep an eye on your email or customer portal for updates. If you're considering buying ServiceTitan rather than using it already, contact the sales team instead of technical support. Sales representatives can explain pricing, product features, implementation, and schedule a product demonstration. You can also check the ServiceTitan Help Center before contacting support. Many common questions about scheduling, invoicing, reporting, mobile access, and account settings already have step-by-step guides. If your issue is covered there, you may solve it immediately without waiting for a reply. To sum up, use the customer portal if you're an existing user. Visit the official website if you can't access your account, and prepare your account details before contacting support. Taking those simple steps usually leads to a faster resolution. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more software guides, and check out our other comparisons and tutorials.